What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back in here to the channel. First time here, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. But today I'm going to be doing something that's actually already installed on my truck, but I'm going to be installing it on the Ford you guys have seen me been working on here lately. So, as you guys can see the hardware here, if you don't know what these are, this is a very major thing that I will have on every one of my trucks. This is like the consistency of having window tint. I'm always going to have window tint on my vehicles. I'm always going to have that. This is the Tailgate Assist. Everyone can go and stop in. You can get it on Amazon. I think when I bought mine like a year ago, it was like $14. They're up to like $19 now or something. All of them that I went and I seen for this truck. But yeah, so this is like a major thing. I know, like, when I've went and used trucks like this before that don't have them, I'll just go and like pop the tailgate, and they'll go, and I'll just let them go, and they'll slam down, and I'll go, oh crap, sorry. I'm like, crap. I'm used to my truck where you just pop the latch, let it go, and it slowly goes down. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to install this, but I'll show you guys how the tailgate works now and how quick it falls versus after it's done. So let's get started. So you can see she drops pretty fast, and if you just let go of it, it's going to slam down like I've accidentally done before, because I'm used to my shock and slowness on my other one. But all you'll need is a 10mm socket, which I got that. They send you this wrench, so something to take that nut off with, and a flathead screwdriver. It's a pretty simple install. It's a really cheap mod that I love. Like I said, it's just like putting window tint on a vehicle, if you ask me. But let's get started here, guys. I'll show you the quick install. Okay guys, so quick something else that I learned that is very helpful is this bracket here. Go ahead and you can just snug these two bolts down, put your shock on it, and then loosen these bolts back up. That way your tailgate can get adjusted where your thing is tight, because mine was loose and I was like, huh, I wonder what that is. And as soon as I went and loosened these up, it shifted. There's a little bit of play in these bolts where you can adjust it. So just go and loosen these bolts up a little bit, let it get adjusted, then you can go and tighten it back up, and it is tight. Good to rock and roll. And there you have it guys, it is all installed. Took me 10 minutes. Took me maybe 10 minutes to install. It was a little hard to pull the shock down there. Just get it out enough and then you can pick your tailgate up. I just used a rubber mallet to tap it in there, but yeah, fun. Use rubber mallet, tap it in. I thought you had to use a screwdriver to get it in there too, but you didn't. You can just use rubber mallet, tap it on there. You also use a screwdriver if you ever want to take it back off. But yeah, so yeah, she's looking all good. She's working good here guys, and I will give you guys a quick little look of how it works now. Beautiful guys, works awesome. So hope this little install is something that you guys enjoyed. Simple, 20 bucks on Amazon, get you one. It is worth the money. I love them. It's on the same equivalent of window tint to me on my trucks. But yeah guys, so that's the quick install video I got for you guys today. If you don't got one, get down there in the description below and get you one. Yeah, I don't get any kickback off of any of this stuff, but it's just me trying to help you guys out and let you guys see some of the awesome products that you guys can get for your vehicles. So yeah, so if this is your guys' first time here, get down there and smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. HP Custom Sparks on Instagram, check me out over there, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.